Hello guys. So I've been using Zillow Rental Manager for a good while now to handle my rental properties. And honestly, it's been pretty smooth and reliable for what I need. As someone who values tools that reduce manual work and simplify day-to-day operations, this platform has fit nicely into my workflow. The first thing that stood out to me was how easy it was to list my properties. Uploading photos, writing descriptions, setting rental prices, and putting in details like pet policies or parking info was straightforward. Plus, once the listing is live, Zillow automatically pushes it out to other big rental sites like Trulia and HotPads, which really helped get my properties in front of more potential tenants without any extra work from my side. That kind of built-in distribution is similar to listing a product once and having it appear across multiple sales channels. One feature I really appreciate is the built-in tenant screening. It pulls together credit checks, background checks, and eviction histories all in one place and at no cost. To me, that's been a huge help to quickly get a feel for applicants and choose the right tenants without having to jump between different services or pay extra fees. It's a big time saver and helps reduce risk by keeping everything in one clean process. The Lease Builder is another solid tool. I can generate rental agreements and even get electronic signatures right through the platform, which speeds things up a lot. Not having to print, scan, or chase paperwork makes move-ins much faster and more professional. I like that everything is centralized. Managing communications, rent collection, and application screening all happen from the same dashboard, which makes my life simpler. If you're used to running your business from one admin panel, this setup feels very familiar and efficient. Speaking of rent collection, Zillow Rental Manager really shines there. Tenants can pay online by credit card, debit card, or direct deposit, and the money goes straight into my account via ACH transfers. It's great because tenants don't have to worry about mailing checks or coming to my door, and I can easily keep track of who's paid and when. It also helps reduce late payments since everything is automated and documented. I also like that this payment history can help tenants build their credit scores, which is a nice bonus for renters. That added incentive can encourage on-time payments and build goodwill with tenants. That said, it's not perfect. Sometimes I've noticed that the tenant communication is a bit clunky. You have to toggle between text messages and the app for replies, which can be annoying. Also, customer support is mostly through email and phone support is limited. So if I need help fast, it's not always instantly available. These are small friction points, but worth knowing going in. A few times the app didn't load properly, but those glitches have improved over time. Some of my tenants, especially those who aren't very tech-savvy, find the online process a bit tricky at first. And obviously, you need a good internet connection for everything to run smoothly. Once they're set up though, things tend to run fine. Overall, Zillow Rental Manager has been a strong tool for me to market my rentals, find good tenants, and handle payments without hassle. It's user-friendly enough for landlords who aren't tech experts, but also packs in enough features for those managing multiple properties. That balance makes it appealing for both beginners and more experienced property owners. The price details aren't always clear up front, since you have to request them, but given all the tools included, it feels like decent value. When you factor in saved time and fewer third-party services, it starts to make a lot of sense. I definitely recommend it to other landlords looking for an all-in-one solution that streamlines property management without needing a ton of separate services.